Paolo? You fucking apple linguine.
I have no idea what you are talking about. This is my restaurant. If I want to do my linguine, I want to do my linguine my way, my way.
You fucking bitch. You put the linguine with a bag of toast bread. The cost for such an act. Raw spaghetti laser bean. Oregano.
Wasn't the unholy ravioli was dead? Did he just turn the paper into a raw piece of spaghetti? Was it wild? Why did you come here? Just to criticize my cooking and sabotage my restaurant? I will not allow it. For 15 years I've run this restaurant. Not a single customer can resist. Tomato sauce special!
Oh shit, this is actually really good. I don't want it.
What? My sauce! My sauce! My sauce! My sauce! My sauce! My linguine! My linguine! My linguine! My linguine! My linguine! My linguine!
Never put the linguine in my fucking toast bread again. Hey.